All right, before we jump in and I show you my recommendation for the best free affiliate marketing website builder, let's understand or let's all get on the same page of exactly what we're going to need inside of a free website builder to do affiliate marketing. And to do that, let's get on the same page of exactly how to do affiliate marketing, or better yet, how to get started with affiliate marketing. Over at Ahrefs, they have this article, How to Get Started with Affiliate Marketing. Follow these 7 simple steps. Decide on a platform, choose your niche, find affiliate programs to join, create great content. Let's stop right there. Step 4, create great content. If you want your affiliate site, that's your affiliate marketing site that you're going to create inside of the free tool that I'm about to show you and recommend. If you want it to succeed, you need to create high quality content where your affiliate links fit naturally. Keep reading. It shows you an example where Tim Ferriss interviewed 100 plus famous people and asked them a question. He published the answers in a blog post. Next thing you need to understand, where do affiliate marketers get free traffic? Nearly 65% of affiliate marketers generate traffic by blogging. And now we know we need to create great content and post it on our affiliate marketing website to include a blog. Here you see inside of my free Groove funnels and Groove pages, or my free Groove CM account, link in the description. You see right here Groove blog as well as Groove pages and Groove funnels. Click on Groove pages and Groove funnels. It opens up their site builder or your site builder where you're going to build your affiliate marketing website. You can see here I have 2 sites. If I want to create more sites for a maximum of 3 free sites, I would need to click this green button to upgrade to Pro, but we're going to focus on these 3 free sites and what you can do inside of these 3 free sites that you get inside of your free Groove account, link in the description. Here's a diagram to explain what you get with 3 free sites. You get the 3 free sites, but you also get pages, as many pages as you need to build out your website. So back inside your free Groove.cm account, inside of the sites for Groove pages and Groove funnels, we'll click on GaryBakerOnline.com so you can see exactly what you get inside of this free website builder that you're going to use for affiliate marketing. You can see this page is going to load, and you can see that it has everything that you need to include a link to click to go to your blog. But let's take a look at this first. Understand that this is a block-based builder. That just means that you simply can start with empty blocks or alert bars or call to action or any of the other blocks that have already been pre-built for you, and you simply just drag and drop them to include your footers as well as your navigation bars that you can see here. There are also individual elements for additional columns, sliders, where you can add in new text, buttons, media. For example, if you wanted to add a video in here, you would simply drag it in, and then you can see you click on that element and you would be adding that element here from YouTube, or that video inside of that element from YouTube, Groove Video, Vimeo, and Wistia. Of course, Groove Video is part of your free Groove account where you can upload videos versus uploading to YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. And then you simply would click publish. And to publish, you need to have your own domain because, as you can see, Groove Pages subdomains are only for premium members. So again, you go back and you select your custom domain. And in this case, we're Gary Baker Online. It is the root location. It is on GaryBakerOnline.com, and you simply would click publish to publish that website, and then you can see that's going to be published on GaryBakerOnline.com. Of course, this is a fully functioning website builder, a fully functioning affiliate marketing business creator inside of Groove. You can click on Manage Domains. Here you can see that you would need to upgrade to Premium to use the Groove Pages domain, but what you can do is simply select Custom Domains, click Manage, and as you can see here, Gary Baker Online is being managed, the DNS, for Groove Pages as well as for Groove Blog, where I'm hosting the blog that I need to do affiliate marketing at blog.garybaker.com. So blog is a subdomain of GaryBakerOnline.com, and it is attached to my Groove blog, which I'm going to show you now. We'll cancel, and you can see here we publish that, and you simply click here to go to GaryBakerOnline.com. That opens up our website that we created that you can see right here in the builder. Click here for the blog, click the blog button, and as you can see, here is the blog template that we've chosen inside of the blog builder. And up here at the top, get started for free, Click that button. It takes us to a very specific type of page that you'll use as an affiliate marketer called a squeeze page or an opt-in page. And you can see here it is built to collect an email, to build an email list, and to deliver a lead magnet in the form of a PDF. And this is what that would look like. This would be your lead magnet opt-in that you built in GroovePages and GrooveFunnels. The lead would click through, land on your page, opt in, then go to the thank you page, which would be another page that you would create inside of your GrooveFunnels and your GroovePages account. And also the download page. Again, you would create this inside of GroovePages or GrooveFunnels inside your free groove.cm account. And then your lead would download the report and they would be opted in to your email list, utilizing GroovePages and GrooveFunnels to build these pages. Back over on our squeeze page or our opt-in page, take note again the limitations inside of your free account. There's a green arrow here pointing this site was built with GrooveFunnels. If this is spam or abuse, report here. If you want or need that bar to go away, you will need to upgrade to Pro. Of course, to upgrade to Pro inside GroovePages and GrooveFunnels inside of sites, you simply just click this green button to upgrade to Pro. But now moving on to look at the blog, Groove blog creation made easy. Simply click. It loads up your one free blog. Of course, if you want more blogs, you would need to upgrade to Pro to get unlimited blogs. But open this blog and edit it. Click Open Blog. That opens up your blog template that you can see right here to include the Get Started for Free that we linked out to our opt-in page to start collecting emails to build an email list. But you can see here, you can publish the blog, you can create posts. Here are the posts and the post editor. Here you can create categories, of course, just like in WordPress or any other blogging platform. Here you have different themes you can select from. And this is the current theme. Click Customize Theme. And here you can do some customizations to appearance and to layout. Go ahead, exit. Takes you back to Grooveblog. And here you have navigation. Of course, these are the navigation buttons or the links, as well as the categories. You can change those right there. And then you have your settings. And inside of your settings, you have SEO information that you need to put in, domains, logo, favicon, social links, comments, forms, copyright, embedded ads, tracking and pixels, as well as Open Graph. This is the image that shows up on social media when someone shares your main blog. Back to domains, and this is where you have the options to publish to your subdomain, your root domain, or publish to a folder in case you want domain.com/blog. In this case, I published to a subdomain, blog.garybakeronline.com. It is up to you to control that how you want. And this is one of the things that makes this one of the best page builders out there, specifically for free, because you can build a blog and a website and you can control the domain name to include using subdomains or folders on your domain as you see fit. And again, that is GroovePages and GrooveFunnels to build your main website, as well as all the pages, as well as the opt-in pages, squeeze pages, landing pages, as well as Grooveblog. Click to go back to the dashboard, and you can see you have everything here, all the quick links, as well as some information for each one of the apps that you get, to include Groove Video, Groove Member, Groove Mail, Groove Affiliate, GroovePages or GrooveFunnels, and GrooveSell. And of course, if you want to upgrade to Pro, you simply click this button to upgrade. And also you have access as a free member to the Groove Affiliate Program if you choose to promote Groove to other people after you show them the sites and the blog that you built and the success that you've had with the blog and the sites that you built to do affiliate marketing. Awesome. Now that you know how to build a website in GroovePages and GrooveFunnels to do affiliate marketing, and you've seen how to build a blog to use for affiliate marketing in your free Groove account with your Groove blog and how to interconnect it all, you now need to move on to the next step, which is getting traffic. And to learn how to get free traffic, click on this video right here, watch that one. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later.